Good morning. Mandy here. I just want to give you guys a short video to show you how to set up your document for the project greeting card. Okay? So if you read the instructions, it says we are going to create a folded card from an 8.5 by 11 sheet. And when it's folded, the finished size is going to be 4.25 by 5.5, which fits into what we refer to as an A2 envelope. Okay? So, let's first get started with the document setup. I'm going to come back over to InDesign and start by saying File, New, Document. And again, using the specs on the assignment brief, it's going to be an 8.5 by 11 sheet, so I'm just going to select that from Recent. If you don't have that page size in Recent, it would be found under Print because it's a default size for print. I think I'm going to go for margins of 0.25 because the surface space, once it's folded, is going to be much smaller than an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So I'm going to use the down arrow to say 0.25. And in case you guys don't already know this link, as long as it's not broken like that, if you set a value in one of these, it will change all four of them to the same value. So 1/4 of an inch all around, and I'm going to say create. Okay, so here's our sheet. The first thing that you're going to want to do is set up your document so that it is divided into the 4 panels that you're going to be designing. I'm going to come up into the ruler and drag down and divide this sheet in half, and this is actually going to be the fold line. So half of 11 is 5.5. So I'm going to drag my marker here, and if you are having trouble dragging it to the right spot up here, you can use the Y value to just set it to 5.5. Also, I'm going to drag my vertical ruler, and to show you what I mean by this, I know that I want this one to be 4.25, and if I select the value in the X, it'll take it exactly to that point. So here are the 4 panels that we are going to be designing.